I'm Tom Burton, Superintendent of Princeton City Schools, here today with Joe Roberts, Athletic Director, and we got a special present. We got a present from Dustin, Goldie,
Yes,
from
Kings Employability.
Kings Employability. Dustin does a great job with talking to students, talking to adults, specifically about what their first job was. So, Dustin, we're going to open it up right now. We're really excited to see. Joe, do you think it's money?
I wish.
I wish, probably not.
Probably not.
But if there was, we know exactly where it would go.
Exactly.
To the kids of Princeton. All right, so let's open this up, Joe. See what's going on. Okay.
Looky here.
All right. We got some hard hats. We'll put this on. Okay. So, is this the right way?
Yes,
Joe?
sir.
Okay. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Here we go. So, listen. Dustin, thank you so much. We're going to wear this. We wear it every single day, whether actually wearing it or metaphorically wearing it, because we put our hard hats on every day. We use our
hands.
Hands are important to make sure that we do a lot. And Joe, I understand your first job was a paper boy.
Yes, it was.
What do you think my first job was, Joe? Take a wild guess.
Were you a paper boy?
I was a paper boy.
How about that?
And in 1976, I know I'm significantly older than you, Joe, but in 1976, there was a blizzard in Cleveland. Closed down everything for 7 days. And my father, who I loved, unfortunately he's no longer with us, but if he was here, he'd tell this story. Despite the fact that there was a ton of snow, the city was shut down, somehow the papers got delivered. What did I have to do, Joe?
You had to be on time, and you had to get out there and deliver those papers.
And
no
why,
matter what.
Joe?
Because
Why?
the news doesn't wait.
The news doesn't wait and it doesn't stop.
That's exactly.
You know what else doesn't stop? Our passion for empowering each student for college, career, and life success. So Dustin, thank you so very much. Kings Employability, you're doing great things out there, not only for Kings, but you're doing it for the region. We certainly appreciate it. Looking forward to collaborating real soon. So on behalf of Joe Roberts, I'm Tom Burton. We're both in Princeton. We love it, and as we always say, go Vikes!